Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Enable Bluetooth on your phone and unlock the device before you begin pairing. Turn on the Vitara Brezza ignition to accessory mode so the infotainment powers up. Navigate the infotainment to the Bluetooth menu and select Add New Device to start pairing. Make sure the display shows the Bluetooth name Vitara Brezza and visible status for incoming pair requests. Keep your phone within 3 meters and close other apps that use Bluetooth to avoid interference. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings and scan for nearby devices to find the car. Tap the listing labeled Vitara Brezza and confirm you want a pair with the car. The infotainment screen will display a PIN code for you to verify and enter if needed. If prompted, enter 0000 or 1234. Most systems accept these common codes. Approve any permission requests on your phone for contacts, and call audio to enable hands-free calling and caller ID. If the initial pairing fails, restart both your phone and the infotainment system and try again. Delete old or duplicate Bluetooth entries on the phone and the car before retrying pairing to prevent conflicts. Check for software updates on your phone and for any available firmware updates for the Vitara Brezza infotainment. If pairing still fails, attempt pairing with another phone to isolate the issue. Contact dealership support only after confirming problems persist with multiple devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.